Are you ready to take your snack game to the next level? Popcorn lovers, rejoice! Whether you're hosting a movie night or just craving a cozy evening in, a popcorn machine is your new best friend. Imagine fluffy popcorn popping before your eyes, filling the room with that irresistible aroma, like a cinema in your own home. In this video, we'll grace you with our picks for the best popcorn machines that turn kernels into pure buttery bliss. Let's pop to it. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website. Like this video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. Number 5. Dash Fresh Pop, our pick for best budget popcorn machine. If you're tired of the same old bagged popcorn, those sad stale kernels you microwave in a rush, let me introduce you to your new best friend, the Dash Fresh Pop popcorn machine. This gem is your ticket to buttery movie theater popcorn in mere minutes, and all you have to do is press a single button. Yes, seriously. Even your kids could manage to whip up a bowl of fluffy goodness without setting off a kitchen disaster. But wait, there's more. This isn't just any popcorn machine. It's your healthier alternative to oily, preservative-laden snacks. With the Dash popcorn machine, you'll enjoy a whopping 16 cups of fresh popcorn, popped with the power of hot air. No pesky oils ruining your healthy snacking vibe. Got a butter obsession? Fear not. The included measuring cup does double duty, melting butter right on top while your popcorn pops. When it's time to pour, you'll have that dreamy, drizzled popcorn that makes movie nights so much better. Plus, the Dash popcorn machine is as compact as it is cute, making it perfect for your tiny apartment, college dorm, or even your recreational vehicle adventures. So whether you're throwing a party, hosting a cozy night in, or just craving a tasty snack, the Dash Fresh Pop is here to sprinkle some joy on your popcorn experience, one delightful popcorn kernel at a time. Number 4. Elite Gourmet EPM-250, our pick for best tabletop carnival popcorn machine. If you're tired of those boring movie nights with stale microwave popcorn, the Elite Gourmet EPM-250 is about to become your new best friend. This vibrant red tabletop carnival popcorn machine is like having your very own concession stand right in your kitchen. Say goodbye to bland snacks and hello to a steady stream of fluffy popcorn goodness. Up to a whopping 1 gallon per batch. With a powerful 300-watt hot oil kettle, you'll be popping like a pro, and every kernel will be perfectly popped. And let's be honest, there's just something mesmerizing about watching those kernels transform into delicious popcorn right before your eyes. Plus, it's not just for movie nights, birthday parties, game days, or just a cozy evening in. This popcorn machine is ready to elevate every occasion. Crafted from durable stainless steel and see-through plexiglass, it's both stylish and practical, making it the ultimate conversation starter. And when the popcorn frenzy wraps up, cleanup is a breeze. No gourmet popcorn disaster here. So, get ready to unleash your inner popcorn aficionado. With the Elite Gourmet EPM-250, you'll be the life of the party, serving up golden, buttery popcorn that'll have everyone coming back for seconds. Buckle up. Your popcorn game is about to reach new heights. Still searching for the perfect popcorn machine? Well, don't throw in the towel just yet. We've got more coming your way. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get notified when we drop new videos. You won't regret it. Number 3. West Bend Stir Crazy, our pick for best family-size stir-popper popcorn machine. If you're craving that irresistible movie theater popcorn experience without leaving your cozy couch, the West Bend Stir Crazy, the ultimate family-size stir-popper popcorn machine, is about to become your new best friend. With a generous capacity of 4 quarts, you'll have enough fluffy goodness to keep everyone happy during family game nights, parties, or just because Tuesday needs a bit more pizzazz. Getting your popcorn fix has never been easier. The stainless steel kettle comes adorned with a non-stick coating that makes cleaning a breeze. Yes, you heard that right. No more scraping hardened kernels off the bottom of a pot. Just sit back and enjoy. With a nifty magnetic kettle cover, pouring and refilling are smoother than your favorite late-night movie plot twist. Serving popcorn has never been so fun either. The patented quick-release lever lets you tilt the kettle just right, sending that popcorn cascading into its serving area like a buttery avalanche. Oh, and don't worry about those pesky unpopped kernels. The built-in kernel catcher tray takes care of those party poopers, ensuring that only the light and fluffy stuff makes it to your bowl. In short, the West Bend Stir Crazy isn't just a popcorn maker, it's your ticket to perfectly popped kernels and countless laughter-filled moments. So grab your favorite movie, pop some corn, and let the good times roll. Number 2. Olde Midway Vintage-Style, our pick for best commercial-grade popcorn machine. If you're on a quest for the ultimate popcorn experience, your journey ends here with the Olde Midway Vintage-Style popcorn machine. This snazzy red beauty isn't just a pretty face. It boasts an impressive 8-ounce capacity, churning out enough popcorn to satisfy even the hungriest movie marathoner. Crafted from heavy-duty stainless steel, this popcorn powerhouse combines vintage charm with modern features. With a whisper-quiet motor purring at 850 watts, you can enjoy your favorite flick without the sound of the machine competing for your attention. The authentic antique design will have all your guests oohing and AIing. It's like stepping back in time, minus the time travel paradox. The user-friendly 3-switch design means you can pop popcorn faster than you can say "butter me up." Easily operate the spotlight, warmer, stirrer, and pot heater with a flick of your wrist. And don't worry about sticky corners. The heavy-duty tempered safety glass keeps everything looking sharp while resisting scratches and warps. To top it all off, the built-in warming deck and heat light keep your creations warm and fresh, while the reject kernel tray ensures nobody gets stuck with those pesky unpopped kernels. So, why settle for bland when you can have this stunning popcorn machine bringing the cinema vibe right to your kitchen? Get ready to snack in style. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. Nostalgia Popcorn Maker Machine, our pick for best popcorn machine overall. If you're ready to elevate your movie nights from meh to marvelous, the Nostalgia Popcorn Maker Machine is your new best friend in the snack department. With its charming red design, it's like having a carnival right in your kitchen, minus the greasy fair food. This little beauty can churn out a whopping 32 cups of movie theater quality popcorn in one go, enough to keep the entire family happily munching away. Forget those sad microwave bags. It's time to pop like a pro. And speaking of pros, you can amp up your popcorn game with Nostalgia's delightful kits and supplies. Want to channel your inner concession stand? Try the Theater Hot Air and Kettle Kit, or go wild with popcorn oil and seasoning packs. Yes, we're talking cheeseburger and buffalo ranch flavors. Unapologetically delicious. But let's talk about the machine itself. Its stainless steel kettle isn't just for show. It holds 8 ounces of kernels and has a built-in stirring system to ensure each kernel gets its time in the spotlight. Plus, the dual-hinged lid makes emptying the popcorn a breeze, so you can spend less time cleaning and more time snacking. Worried about spills? Fear not. The tempered safety glass windows are here to protect you from both popcorn and mishaps. Get ready to pop away, because this popcorn maker is your ticket to ultimate snacking glory. Ooh, we made it! That's a wrap! We hope you had a blast going through our list of best popcorn machines. If so, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which popcorn machine you're planning to pick. Let's make it happen! Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.